Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start now, check power mode because battery saver can lock brightness. Open settings, go to system then display, or press Win+A to access quick actions. Once done, make sure to note whether you're on battery or plugged in. That changes available sliders and drivers. If you're using an external monitor or a dock, keep those connected. Drivers for those devices control brightness independently. This first step prevents chasing the wrong control and prepares Windows to accept the changes you'll make next. Now update the display driver because outdated drivers often disable brightness controls. Open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click your GPU and choose Update Driver, select Search automatically. Once done, go to Settings, right arrow Windows Update and install any pending updates. Many fixes come via cumulative patches. If your graphics vendor has a control panel, Intel, NVIDIA, AMD, open it and adjust brightness or power profile there, since those utilities can finish by testing the Windows brightness slider. If it's still unresponsive, open Device Manager, right-click the display adapter, and choose Roll Back Driver or Uninstall Device, then restart so Windows reinstalls it. Once done, check Settings, right arrow System, right arrow Display for adaptive brightness, and disable it to test manual control. Make sure to test hardware hotkeys, FN plus brightness keys, because some manufacturers require their utility to be running. If problems persist, use System Restore to a working point, or run the vendor's support utility as a last troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.